Magkano po ang, if I may just ask po, kasi kailangan po natin mag-benchmark dito eh. Currently po, magkano po ang salary grade po ninyo?
29 po.
29. Magkano po ito monthly?
If nasa 160 plus po.
160,000. Nasubukan niyo po ba na maging minimum wage earner?
Hindi po. Sapagkat
Hindi po.
ako po ay nag-aral ng mabuti, mahirap lang ho kami noon at nagsikap ako
Opo.
para maging competitive.
We recognize that po. Marami rin po na mga nag-aaral na mga minimum wage earners natin. Pero nananatili na minimum wage earner. So hindi naman po natin kine-question yung level ng pinag-aralan natin. Ang tinatanong ko po dito, hindi nyo po masagot ng diretsahan kung sapat ba o hindi ang kinikita ng minimum wage earner mapa-NCR o probinsya dahil hindi nyo po naranasan maging minimum wage earner. Tama ho ba?
With due respect, Your Honor, I have actually answered your question that in my case, it is not enough. But as I said, the question is relative depending on the situation of the person. But for me to say that is not sufficient officially is not for me to say because I have already stated the official statistics provided by our Philippine Statistics Authority.